Today, Albert has challenged me to a fried rice cook-off. We're each gonna give it our best shot, but there can only be one winner. Good luck, Albert. The ironic key to a good fried rice is you have your leftover day-old rice, as I've got right here, but on top of that, you want nice, fresh ingredients. We got our green onions, our beautiful shallot. So first thing first is some simple knife work. We've got to prep our shallot and make sure we get the best knife cuts possible. This is basically gonna be the base of our fried rice. And if I'm gonna beat Albert, this one needs to be good. All right, I'm gonna set my shallots off to the side. Next up, I have some nice red chilies, which are not only gonna give some color, but also, of course, some nice spicy flavor in my fried rice. Not too long ago, I was given the uncle title by Uncle Roger himself. And when it comes to something like fried rice, he's publicly stated that I am one of the only people he trusts with making it. So yes, I feel pretty confident that I'm gonna win. Last up, I'm gonna go ahead and chop a few green onions here. These aren't gonna be added till the end of making my fried rice, but I wanna prep all my ingredients out now. And we're ready to cook. First up, we are gonna go into our wok with some peanut oil, and we're gonna get this nice and hot. And once this is set, in I go with my shallots, and a spoonful of minced garlic. And then we begin to stir it all up. Once this has become nice and aromatic, we'll go ahead and crack in 1 or 2 small eggs. This we want to get nice and fluffy. Uncle Roger's main rule of thumb for making the best fried rice is to trust your gut. You don't measure out your ingredients. As long as you're using the proper ingredients, it all comes from here. And with that being said, time for our rice. Now the key to adding in soy sauce, which is gonna give our fried rice that salt that it needs, is pouring it down the side of the wok onto that really hot edge, and it should get nice and bubbly as it goes in. I'm also gonna go ahead and add just a light touch of sesame oil, but not too much because it can get overpowering. And then I'll go ahead and grind up some of my own white peppercorns, which will give our fried rice incredible flavor. We don't need any salt in this dish, only white pepper. The soy sauce will give us all the salt we need. In it goes. And speaking of Uncle Roger, my favorite thing in my kitchen, my MSG dispenser.
MSG is cheating.
Get a nice sprinkle of MSG.
Nick's trying to keep that uncle title.
Hey, I'm proud of that title. I am proud to say that I'm one of the few people Uncle Roger trusts with making fried rice. And to finish things off, my green onion and chilies. Basically everything I've seen Albert do is incorrect. Is incorrect, even down to the pepper he just used.
I'm done already, 7 minutes, no?
I waited for you in the middle. Frozen veggies, peas and carrots, that's an Americanized fried rice. Quick little taste. And that is a beautiful fried rice that's about to kick Albert's ass. He's nodding. We're gonna plate it in a very cliche but fun way, filling it into this mold, then packing it all in just a bit, and then upside down onto my plate. And this here is my fried rice. I'll finish it with an egg yolk on the top, and I'm done.
It's raw. It's not even cooked.
It's raw. It's...
Everybody eat fried rice with ketchup, no?
I secured my win. I definitely think that ketchup secures my win. The second you add ketchup to fried rice, you've done something wrong. Well, I called up Uncle Roger to see if he'd come judge these, but he didn't answer, so I got the next best thing.
Hey, what's up, guys? Oh.
I like fried rice. I really don't have any hope for both of these dishes. Okay, right off the bat, I love the way this looks. And in the words of Uncle Roger, hiya, what is that? Like, what is... Did he just put ketchup on that? Who puts ketchup on fried rice? Anyways, we'll figure that out later. I'm gonna start with what I think looks good. I'm really afraid of that egg yolk. Am I gonna get salmonella? Salmonella? How do you even say that word? All right, here goes nothing. That's not bad. It's lacking a little bit of the salt. There are a few burnt pieces in here.
And he was on MasterChef.
Coming from a Persian background, I like a few pieces of nice crispy rice on my fried rice.
You know, just, I mean, it tastes amazing. It tastes really good. I like the way the rice tastes. Could have used a little more salt though, or MSG. Now that this masterpiece, if that's what you call it, that smells like ketchup. I'm worried, but let's just see how it tastes. The ketchup works in a weird way. I don't hate it. I thought I was gonna hate this one a lot, but wow, very impressive. The salt level is perfect. Not enough crunch in the rice. I wish it was a little more crunch. It looks like ham or Spam. It's a weird touch, but it could work. And the eggs are actually a lot better on this dish. Again, ketchup is a little weird, but it seems to be working. To be honest with you, I'll eat both of these. These both taste amazing, but there can only be one winner. If I'm at a restaurant, I expect my dish to look like this. And if I'm at home, I expect it to look like this. So honestly, I think I'm gonna call it a draw. Guys, both of you, I'm really impressed. Dishes both tasted amazing, so I give it a draw.
Bye.